Today I'm going to show you how to turn beetroot into cake without baking a thing. First, you will grate the beetroot. You can do it by hand, just put on some gloves so you don't stain your hands. Next, mash up a banana and half of an avocado and blend them up with the beetroot. If you don't have a blender or food processor, you can use a fork. To the mixture, add coconut flakes for texture and sweetener to taste. Warm up this mixture slightly. You can do it in the microwave. And while that's heating up, dissolve a tablespoon of Agar Agar in 4 tablespoons of water and bring it to a boil. Remove from the heat and mix it with the beetroot filling. Add the juice from half an orange, stir and set aside. Now the base of the cake. Blend up walnuts and dried figs. Again, this is possible without a processor. You can use a mortar and pestle or smash them up in a Ziploc bag. Blend the nuts and fruit up until the mixture starts sticking together. To that, add the zest of 1 orange and 2 tablespoons of smooth peanut butter. Mix it up very well and start making a crust for the cake in a springform pan. Push it down tightly. You can use a glass to make it level. Pour in the beetroot mixture and level it off well. Place the cake in the fridge or in the freezer if you're in a hurry until the filling sets and it is no longer soft to the touch. Once it is set, take it out of the form and you can decorate it as you wish. Beetroot is an excellent source of fiber, manganese, potassium, iron, and vitamin C. Beetroot juice is associated with improved blood flow and blood pressure. The root is 87% water and has only 43 calories per 100 grams. Studies suggest that the high inorganic nitrate content of beetroot can enhance physical performance, particularly high-intensity endurance exercise, by reducing oxygen use. I will put the link to the studies in the description for anyone interested. One slice came up to 200 calories. It was very filling and satisfying, and the flavor was rich, earthy, and deep. Thanks for watching. If you like these recipes, why not subscribe, like and comment so you don't miss any future uploads. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy.